On day 45 of the lockdown in India, the nationwide tally of COVID-19 cases crossed 56,000. The death toll reached 1,886, with the most fatalities in Maharashtra at 694, followed by Gujarat. Delhi had 5,980 positive coronavirus cases so far and is likely to see a peak in coronavirus cases in June-July. Earlier, AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria, talking about the pandemic situation in India, had also said that the peak will come in June-July for the country. A migrant married couple who had set out for their native town in Chhattisgarh from Uttar Pradesh were mowed down on the road in the early hours of Thursday in Lucknow. The couple and their 2 children were making a desperate bid to cycle back to their village when a vehicle ran them down at 1:30 a.m. last night. Their 2 children survived the accident. 16 migrant workers in a group of 20 were killed after a cargo train ran over them while they were sleeping on the tracks in Maharashtra's Aurangabad this morning. The migrants were walking to Madhya Pradesh. Police say they were sleeping on the tracks because they probably presumed no trains were running due to the lockdown. The Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah expressed grief at the accident and said the Railway Minister Piyush Goyal was monitoring the situation. A Justice Ashok Bhushan headed Supreme Court bench today said that states should consider indirect sale or home delivery of liquor in order to maintain social distancing norms and standards at liquor outlets. However, the court didn't pass any order over the same. Addressing the public on COVID-19 crisis, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi asked the government to be transparent about the lockdown exit strategy. He said it was time to restart the domestic economy, for which the government needs to allay fear of the disease and build confidence among the people. He added that there is a view in the government that if we move too fast and spend too much money, we may create a problem with the rupee. Gandhi said that we have to move aggressively now. At 10:20 p.m. Thursday night, the first batch of stranded Indians from Abu Dhabi landed in Kochi on an Air India Express flight. 177 passengers and 4 children were repatriated. Another flight landed in North Kerala's Kozhikode Airport from Dubai with 177 passengers and 5 children. The first flight carrying Indian students who are stranded in Bangladesh's Dhaka will land in Srinagar soon. Meanwhile, INS Jalashwa has begun evacuation operations in Maldives, Malé. A MiG-29 interceptor of the Indian Air Force crashed during a training mission near Punjab's Jalandhar today. The pilot ejected safely and was taken away in a rescue helicopter. The IAF said the aircraft had developed a technical snag. Now a court of inquiry has been ordered to investigate the cause of the accident.